Okay, you understand there's videos there, right?
Yeah.
So do you want to think about this whole thing? Because everything was filmed. Turn around. You're going to go to jail for theft.
Jail?
Yes. You back up. Please back up.
On June 16, 2016, two female tourists visiting Key West, Florida thought no one was watching. But the cameras tell a different story. What started as a casual stop inside a local shop quickly turned into something much more serious. You'll see exactly what happened, how it unfolded, and the moment everything changed.
Hello. How can I help you?
So here's what's happened. The one lady, she stole our money, like our tips. And we have video and picture how she put her hand in our money. I don't know. And also.
That was today?
Yeah, it was like maybe 20 minutes ago. I don't know why it's can be. I don't know if you can. It was our tips.
Do you know how much it was that she took?
So it for sure it was around the $20. Like, of course it's not too much, but still it was $10, $5 for
Yeah,
sure.
of course.
What's
wrong?
Like around the 20. And we have the other video. Look at the next one. And okay, so today, good day, time now.
What's that?
Are you watching here? What?
The next one?
This next one's different way, like the other camera. First, you put her hand on.
So she went in there twice, grabbed twice? Do you want to press charges, or you want her to go to jail for it? What is that you want?
I will call to my boss, and I don't know, like I have her name probably if it's her card. I don't know, this was her name. And I don't know what.
It's up to you. I mean, if you want to call him to find out what he wants to do, we can either trespass her from the property. Huh?
No, I'm joking. Maybe jail?
Trespass her from the property or press charges for the theft.
Can I call my boss? She's probably somewhere here.
Yes. Okay. Hold on to this.
Yes.
Let me go grab my phone because I need to take pictures too.
Or I can send or picture.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, talk to her or him, and then I'll be right back.
Що ви що їдете, що ні, йому типу все рівно, то нам вирішувати або посадити її, або знайти, привезти її сюди. Okay, we can do wherever she can go to jail.
So yes, you want to press charges?
Yes, please.
Okay. You have your ID with you?
Yes.
After getting details from the victims, officers searched the area and quickly located the suspect.
Get over here. Let's go this way. On the shade so I can talk to you. Okay, you can stay over here, on this side. How you doing?
Good.
I'm Officer with Key West Police Department. Okay, before I speak to you, I'm going to give you your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions, and to have him with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to you before any question if you wish. If you decide to answer any questions without a lawyer, you still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you?
Yes.
With these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
Yes, I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, so I got called to a coffee place that y'all were.
Yeah.
And you want to talk to me about what took place there?
Yeah, we stopped in, we ordered coffee, paid for it. Then I went back to the counter and I bought a gift card, which I have the receipt for.
Okay.
We were sitting there drinking our coffee, And then the girl with the dark hair came over and started speaking in whatever her native language is, and like she never really said anything. She just kept speaking in her native language.
Okay, she said something about money, right? Money taken from somewhere?
I guess she's talking about her tip thing on the countertop?
Correct.
I didn't touch her tip thing. She was there the whole time.
Okay, you understand there's videos there, right?
Yeah.
So do you want to think about this whole thing? Because everything was filmed. You didn't
I
touch
don't know
any.
what she's
you
talking.
didn't touch any of the tip jar.
No, why would I? She's standing right there. And her coworker was right there.
Okay. Are you being honest right now?
Yes, sir, I am.
So the cameras are lying when they saw you going into the tip jar
I
twice.
didn't take anything from her tip jar. I have my receipt from the purchase of the card, and this is my money, and it's not her money. This is my money.
Okay. You have your ID with you?
Yes. And here's the receipt from.
That's what I'm looking at. I'm just making sure that was you.
Well, my name is on it right here.
It's on the receipt too. There's my suspect. You have the actual receipt? So, yeah. Okay.
Look in my purse. I don't have anything in here.
Okay, well, like I said, this video of you taking the money, you went into the tip jar and went twice and grabbed the tip jar, from the money from the tip jar.
I didn't touch her money.
Okay? So she wants to press charges for you taking the money.
I didn't take her money.
Now, we have video of you going to the tip jar and took your hand inside the tip jar.
I didn't put my hand in her tip jar. And if I bumped against her tip jar, I certainly didn't take her money.
What do you call that? Look, again, taking the cash out, money coming out, okay? Like I'm telling you, there's cameras. And you're a very dishonest person because I'm giving you the chance to tell me what really happened,
I told you what.
okay? So I'm gonna need you to turn around. You're gonna go to jail for theft.
Jail?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my
Will you back
God.
up?
Please back up.
That's my daughter.
Give that to your daughter if you want the wallet. Yes, we're not playing games.
Ma'am, please let go of the purse.
I can't. I'm trying to close it.
Okay.
If you would have spoke to the lady and gave her money back, probably she wouldn't have pressed charges.
Can I speak
but
to
it's
her?
too late now. She tried talking to you, and y'all took off.
She did not
and
speak
you,
to
And you
us
said,
in
"Oh, it was only a
English."
couple dollars." Okay, so.
That's not what I
Okay.
said. She showed me a picture that had nothing.
Ma'am, are you giving me permission to give this to your daughter?
Yes. Sir,
right.
can I go speak to her again? I think you're being.
I'm not the victim. Okay, she
Can
wanted to
I
press
speak-
charges.
Can I speak to
No.
her?
Okay. Do you have anything inside your
No.
person? Anything sharp?
No,
anything
I don't
illegal?
have anything.
Okay. All right, let's go this way. Bye, son. Come on, have a temperature.
Can I go back and give her $20?
Ma'am, please. Stop.
What's your step going down?
I mean, if I'm. Oh my God. Can I give that lady $20?
Ma'am, it's too late.
Sir,
She wants to press charges. It's not up to me.
You said if I gave her money back, if I give her $20.
When she confronted you.
She never said anything
yes, she
about
did,
giving
and y'all
her money.
took off.
No, she was
Okay.
speaking in whatever her native
Did
language
this happen to
was.
Funky Rooster?
700 of, there was Caroline, the coffee place.
Oh, okay.
Here,
Can my daughter come?
no, she's not getting arrested.
Well, how is she going to find me?
We only have one jail. We'll give her the information.
Well, I guess apparently this is all that on the place. How did you guys get here?
Walking.
Sorry, it's owner from Funky Rooster. What's that? Owner from Funky Rooster is what they told you. His Funky name Rooster? Arthur.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, hold on. Yes, sir.
The suspect, Elaine, was charged with petty theft under $100 under Florida Statute 8112.0143A. If convicted, she could face up to 60 days in jail, up to 6 months of probation, a fine of up to $500, and may be required to pay restitution.
Well, I guess apparently this is the owner of the place.
Hello? Yes.
All right, ma'am. How did you guys get down here?
We walked.
No, I mean to Key West.
Plane.
Okay. All right. When do you fly out?
Wednesday.
They told me that she
Okay.
Yeah, because she said that she paid for a couple of things. I'm going to send my partner over there to see what you're talking about, because like right now we only have the tip jar. If she's stole more, then he'll relay that information. Okay, what's it? Yes. Okay, can you have her go back over there? Was it just the mom or the daughter too? Okay, gotcha. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna send my I'm gonna send my partner over there. Okay. Okay. All right. You have your ID with you?
Yeah.
Just the mother?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day, sir. You as well.
Sounds like she was a lookout. I don't have enough. I don't have enough PC from what I just got. But you could be getting a warrant for your arrest. Okay, I'm just letting you know. I'm just letting you know right now. Okay.
You said 700 Caroline?
It's 703 Caroline.
Okay. I'll go talk to him.
It doesn't make my life.
What?
I didn't do anything.
All right, ma'am. She's going out to Monroe County Detention Center on Stock Island.
I do.
So if you look, there's only, listen, there's only one jail here. She's gonna have to spend the night. She'll go to first appearance tomorrow, and she'll talk to the judge. The judge will decide whether or not she can bond out, and then you can figure out some way to get that taken care of. Okay. My suggestion right now is that you go back to the hotel room. I don't know what transpired. I don't know what happened. But whatever you guys did.
I just my mom. I didn't do anything.
I mean, apparently you did, ma'am, because
I didn't.
we don't just get called for no reason.
I wasn't.
You were aware, okay?
No, I wasn't.
So
Listen, we don't get called for no reason.
I don't know. I wasn't aware.
if they're alleging that you stole something, why would you like take off running
Because
from
I got
the
scared.
place? That's not a normal reaction, okay?
Why is
Normal
that?
reaction.
We said
You tell
no.
me, hey, I'm not stealing. Call the
That's-
cops if you want. You wait for the cops. You don't
Yeah.
take off running when you're confronted about
We
stealing
didn't take
cash.
off running though. We were
Well, you-
walking around. How
Okay,
is that
you walked
running?
away, ma'am. We're not going to argue semantics with you. You walked away.
Yeah, because I was scared and it was insulting.
That doesn't make sense. Any person that I know, if you accuse them of stealing
What's-
and they didn't do it, they get
Because
pissed
we
off.
didn't do it.
What's your phone number, ma'am?
646
646 3
17
1717.
All right, I'm going to head over there real quick. You good here?
Yeah. And what about your mother? What's her phone number?
Inman County.
Now we want to hear from you. Was it worth it? Do you think the punishment fits the crime, or should something like this be handled differently? And here's the bigger question. If you saw something like this happen in real life, would you say something or stay out of it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We read every single one. Thanks for watching.